Hi my dear students, welcome back to your maths class. Let's begin our day with a prayer. You also repeat with me. Dear God, be with me through this day. Guide me to do what is right and keep me away from what is wrong at home, at work and at play. Amen. That. Yesterday we learned about tens and ones. So 23. In 23 there are 3 ones and 2 tens. Now we are going to find the place value of the digits in this number. Repeat the term place value. P-L-A-C-E-V-A-L-U-E. Value. Place value. We are going to find the place value of the digits in this number. Listen. 23. Here 2 tens and 3 ones. So the place value of the digits 2 tens and 3 ones. Another number 45. Its place value is 4 tens and 5 ones. Another number 9. Is there any tens here? No. This 9 is a single digit number. So here only ones. 9 ones. When we write the numbers in terms of tens and ones, it is known as the expanded form. Listen here. 25. In 25, there are 2 tens and 5 ones. It's 2 tens and 5 ones. When we write the number in terms of tens and ones, it is known as the expanded form. E-X-P-A-N-D. Expand D-E-D. E-X-P-A-N-D-E-D. Expanded form. When we write number in terms of tens and ones, it is known as the expanded form. 53. What is the expanded form? 5 tens and 3 ones. 5 tens and 3 ones. This is the expanded form of this number. 69. 6 tens and 9 ones. This is the expanded form of 69. Okay. This is a model of abacus. This abacus helps us to find the correct place value of the digits in the number. For example, now I put this bead in the place of ones. Beads represents numbers. These are 2 rods and some beads are also here to help us to find the place value of the numbers. Listen, here only 1, 1. So this number is 1. Means only one number is 1. Now I put this bead to this tens place. This means 110. 110 means this is 110 and 11. So this is the number 11. The number is 11. Now I am going to put one more bead in this tens. Look how many tens are here. 2 tens means 2 tens 20. 20 and 1 21. Here I put one more bead. 2 ones are there. 2 tens and 2 ones. 22. Now look. How many tens are here? 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. And how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 4 ones. So what's the number? 34. 34. And that's why this abacus helps us to find the place value of the numbers in the digits. Children, take out your textbook at page number 60. Listen here, 11. 11 means 1, 10 and 1, 1. 1, 10 and 1, 1. 12 means 1, 10 and 2 ones. Here, 1, 10 and 2 ones. Next, number 13. 13 means 1, 10 and 3 ones. 1, 10 and 3 ones. And 14. 14 means 1, 10 and 4 ones. 4 ones. 15 means 1, 10 and 5 ones. 16 means 1, 10 and 6 ones. 17 means 1, 10 and 7 ones. 18 means 1, 10 and 8 ones. 19 means 1, 10 and 9 ones. And 20 means 2 tens. And no ones here, so put 0 here. 20 means 2 tens. Okay.